Hey guys, it's Matt here from Addicted to Tools, and today I'm taking you through my new pair of Knipex combination high leverage pliers. I'm absolutely loving these at the moment. I've only just picked them up, but I've got to use them just a bit on a couple of bits of cable, and what I'm loving is the cutting power of it is absolutely phenomenal, as you would expect from any Knipex cutter. What you'll find is you have the two blades which are actually both cutting blades, whereas compared to a couple of other brands out there, you have one cutting blade and one blunt blade. I'm not sure why they do this, but it's not preferable to myself, so I'm absolutely loving that. I also love the end actually joins together. What you may not know is there's other brands also that don't go the whole way, so you might try to grab a small piece of cable, a little bit of copper, whatever it is, and you actually can't grasp it. So I'm absolutely loving that. The feel is really good. These are 215mm long. I'll take you through just a bit of stripping. So these are 200mm long, sorry, compared to my last pair, which were 215. Not a big difference, but it definitely feels great. You can get smaller ones, 180, 160, and some that are actually 240mm long. Those are the very high leverage for mainly cutting. I haven't heard great things about fitting off, but when it comes to cutting power, that's the way to go. If you're cutting mains, all that sort of stuff, that's definitely the way to go. So, take you through. As you can see, they feel light. They're very loose. They came like this, as you might know. Usual pliers, you'll have to wear them in. You might have to spray them with some RP7, anything like that. These come already greased up, ready to go. Easy to cut, easy to twist, easy to crimp. There's an easy termination, so absolutely loving them. They look great. I'm definitely part of Team Knipex now, so thanks guys, and make sure to like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. I'm always happy to answer, and also make sure to check out my Instagram, Addicted to Tools, for a lot more content and just a variety of other stuff. So thanks guys, there's Knipex.